तो आप लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि ये अपनी जान बचा के क्यों भाग रहा है. So let me give you a backstory. The guy you see on the screen is my good friend Kevin, and he's really scared of one thing.
Ghost, bro. Hands down, ghost, dude. I'm like shit scared of ghost. Like even if I see it in any movie, also no. That's all. Sleep won't come that night, bro.
So me being a YouTuber took advantage of his weakness and planned out a whole prank. For this prank to work, I found an abandoned building and then asked some of my friends for help, and we planned a skit to scare Kevin. After checking out the place and planning the script, there was one single problem. I wasn't sure if Kevin would agree to do this. So I had to ask him. For the vlogs, we are going and exploring an abandoned building.
No.
Huh? There's nothing. We'll just go check it out and come. Are you down?
Fine.
You're down? After getting his approval, now it's execution time. Okay guys, so we reached. It's towards that side. That's the building. Okay guys, so we reached and you can see inside. It looks pretty scary. It's abandoned, I think, for some years, like about 10 years right now. Let's go explore. This is one building and that's the other building. Let's go there first. Come on.
No, I'm scared.
Hey, no. Nobody will see that. Chill down.
Hey, you know how I'm scared.
As soon as I heard that, I was around 70% relieved. But what Kevin doesn't know is this building we are about to go to is just a distraction, and the main prank goes down in the building we were in right now.
I'm going to fall. Shut up. That probably would be the kitchen door.
Bro, what is there some negative energy, bro, here?
Hey, I'll hit you. You're the only one this thing who's making a negative energy into me, bro.
So this building में कुछ नहीं है. As you can see, there's no walls. There's nothing inside this building, and
Except
everything
doggies.
is.
Doggies.
Yeah, there are dogs. और इधर पूरा सब कुछ bright है. But when you see that building right there, that has walls and looks creepier than this.
Has
So
very dark rooms.
we're about to go there right now. What Kevin also doesn't know is I had my friends Suhas and Pranav sneak into the main building and take their positions to scare Kevin as soon as we enter the main building.
What happened? Before me.
Ui, bad's down. Ui, fuck! Yay! Fuck! What is that?
I'm scared.
Bro, there's a lot of bad here, da. Move!
Oh shit! Freaky as fuck.
Bro, there's a chair, da.
Mommy.
Hey, go to the back. Hey, that's the last one, bro.
I'm staying outside.
Then we leave, da.
It's okay, but like you guys go, I'll stand outside.
No, that's the last room, then we leave, I swear.
Hey, we have lights, da. Shut up and come.
Kevin, stick with me, da. Just stick with me.
Hey, Chintu, you also stick together.
Yeah. Go check inside first. Bro, some puja and all is there, da. Hey, what is that, da?
Oh shit, don't do
Nothing's
that.
gonna happen.
Come here. Hey, look here.
He actually got scared.
Oh, he became blank, bro. Stop there. He didn't get this.
Actually got scared. I'm shit scared of ghosts.
Shit scared. Listen, Chintu.
Flashlight.
He got shit scared. As soon as you guys start screaming, no, he went front, he ran.
nothing, sir.
Yeah, I saw him.
I know. He went blank and then Ritik left him and ran, bro. He's not running there.
No, I wanted to leave the place. I was like,
Flashlight.
something like that sketchy over there because
You stood there for a second.
yeah, that was like I saw like I was like you guys are just
focus
joking.
at
Then I saw something black move.
How was that? Wait. How was that? Was that a good prank?
Good prank.
Oh guys, wait. The vlog is not yet over. Watch this before you leave.
I'll scare Kevin again.
No.